Welcome back. Casinos encroaching the capital city is a burning issue. The tussle between the anti and pro groups continues. Though the vessels look saturated in the river, the aggressively growing activity of the casinos and night culture disturbs Panjekars. Government looks at it as contributor to the economy. Casino industry also boasts of being a stakeholder. In our series, Battle Capital, we track how casinos entered, survived and expanded in past decade and a half, while Panjekars stare at yet another offshore betrayal.
The first live floating gaming casino of Asia, owned by Advani Pleasure Cruise Company, started its operation in Goan waters in 2002. Soon as it entered, Panjikar woke up sensing and fearing a menace brewing at Mandavi shores. Aurat Aadmi Against Gambling has been consistently raising a voice against this culture.
We've had families which are destroyed, marriages that are broken up. We have children who have become victims of violence, women who have become victims of violence. All those who say we do not want casinos, these forces should converge together.
Social activist Satish Sona questions the state policy.
That these are incompetent people if they cannot run the government without source of casinos. If economics is the only consideration, why allow private players to run casinos? Why don't government nationalize the casinos?
Casino operators have answers and counters in their way. It's an extended argument of government's view on revenue and employment.
So only my group, we have in last financial year we have paid 100 crore rupees to the state and central together. As a per capita industry, this industry is the highest revenue earning. This is the highest employment generation also. I have got 2,500 employees today. Traditionally, Goa or Goan are very good in service industry. May it be restaurants, may it be hotel industry, may it be airlines, may it be IT. Goans are very good in customer relations. I have got Goans in all the positions. Topmost management to the lowermost. In all positions they are Goans. I can name, I can show you, I can...
It's not that everything has gone well with casinos. They have been in news for wrong reasons. An indication of typical casino culture. Former MDLR airline employee Geetika Sharma, who committed suicide alleging that she was harassed by former Haryana Minister Gopal Kanda, had been working in Rio Casino's operations in Goa in 2009. In another case, Sai Dhanush Reddy, a 20-year-old, had lost his life as he slipped into waters from second deck of one of the casinos in Mandavi. Cities popular for casinos like Macau and Las Vegas today faced hard times when it comes to sustaining economy. Destinations have lost their social foundation, culture and traditions in bargain. Offshore casinos contribute almost 250 to 300 crores annually to the state treasury, almost 5% of the state revenues. But it's an accepted fact that now by the party which while in opposition agitated against the casino culture, that Goa needs casinos to run its economy.
पहिली परमिशनां दिल्ली आसा आणि जेतूनसून सरकारच्या तिजोरीन कन्सिडरेबल अमाउंट वयता हे हांव सांगता येता आणि म्हाका तितकी तसदीक लागलेली ना.
State Pollution Control Board levies fees on casino operators towards monitoring of sewage disposal, and the burden to lift garbage is on CCP every day. Casinos still stand tall in Mandavi for past decade and a half, witnessing regimes of every political party existing in the state. Promises of getting casinos out of river still continues, and now the manifestos for Panji Pol to have gone silent on the issue. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Congress held a candlelight rally against incumbent government. Congress says it's tit for tat to the BJP as they also adopted same measures during their tenure as opposition. Congress has made a list of 11 5-star U-turns, 10 3-star U-turns and 50 to 60 empty promises made by the BJP. Only 4 Congress MLAs turned up for the meeting.
Congress organized a candlelight rally against incumbent government. GPCC president said it is payback time for the BJP.
बीजेपी पक्ष विरोधी पक्ष म्हणून म्हणटालो की काँग्रेस सरकारान भ्रष्टाचार हांगा काजिनोस आहा म्हणटाले आमी काजिनो काडले इलिगल मायनिंग बंद करतले हांगा ड्रग माफिया म्हणटाले रिजनल प्लॅन सारको ना लँड माफिया म्हणटाले गोंयकारांक स्पेशल स्टेटस दिता म्हणटाले हांगासर वातींचे पुरसांव बीजेपी सरकारान तेन्ना बीजेपी पक्षान हांगासर हाडले आयज तांकां याद करपाक आमी अनेक फावट हे वातींचे पुरसांव हांगासर हाडले टीट फॉर टॅट हो वेळ पावल्लो आहा यू टर्न्स बंद करपाक हे इलेक्शन जरी तर फकत 2 वर्सांचे लेट अस गिव अ स्ट्रॉंग मेसेज that people of Goa are not happy.
Almost 1,500 people were present for rally. Only 4 Congress MLAs made it to the function along with few former MLAs.
बायलांक बेश्टयले जर काँग्रेस येयलो जाल्यार तुमकां 1000 रुपया गावचे ना म्हणून कालच्या लोकसभेच्या इलेक्शनाक कोणीय भिवपाचें ना तुमचे पयशे कोण बंद करूं शकना कोणाच्या बापायचे पयशे न्हय कोणाक दिसता कितें राणो विरोधी पक्ष काय उलयना जास्ती अरे उठ सूट म्हाका वचोन आडावरड करपाची ना कित्याक पहिल्यांदाच तुमी हो सरकार निवडून दिला पळयात कसो आसा तो परिवर्तन जालें वटहुकूम काडून राज्य करपाचें नासता ते पोर्तुगेज तेंपाक जातालें आतां पोर्तुगेज गेले आनी नवे कोण आयले रे अशें करपाक हें बरेबर न्हू आनी आमी वगी रावचे ना गुड गव्हर्नन्स तोंडान उलयलें म्हूण जायना ते करून दाखोवंक जाय
पाड्यार कचऱ्याचे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करता कुणक आनी कितें कचऱ्याचे बार्देस कचरो हाडून थंय घालता त्या लोकांनी कचऱ्याचे तर बांदतले म्हाका एक थोडे दीस मुख्यमंत्र्याक हांव दाखयता कशें कचऱ्याचे प्लांट घालून दाखयता तुमी लायट वाडयले उदक वाडयले सगळे तरेचे वाडयले कितें दवरला आतां सवाय फक्त ते 1000 रुपया बायलां दिता तांकां धमकी दिता.
Meanwhile, Tanveer Khatib has returned back to Congress after his stint with NCP for few years. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.